What it do, y'all? Welcome to the Yamaha R3 world. It's our world. I'm your boy, I'm your host today, Ricky Clark. Just with another little vlog through the hood. Seeing what's good. Just taking a little trip, y'all. Ain't nothing big. As y'all can see, I'm just soaking up some of this hot ass sunshine on the 2020 Yamaha R3. I must say though, it ain't too hot today out here in South Florida. It's like a good non-humid 80 degrees. Ain't too crazy. Man, I love the sound of this M4, y'all. Oh shit, what it went down over there? Can't go that way, them boys is down there. And your boy riding dirty. Not dirty that way, y'all. I know how y'all thinking. But yeah, just soaking up some of this South Florida sunshine, y'all. It ain't humid, it's perfect. Sunday riding weather right here, y'all. And I'm actually here to talk about my 1 month review. This has actually been a little bit more than a month. But yeah, I'm here to talk about it. Damn, where all this traffic coming from today, y'all? All this traffic coming from on the track right now. You know what? I think I'm gonna take a little trip to go check out my daughter. A little vlog to go. Gotta go to Publix. Well, yeah, y'all, in the 1 month review, man, of the R3, I'm gonna say, yo, it's been beautiful. But you know what I can't say? I can't say, yeah, this is the best bike I have ever rode so far. Let's just say so far. Considering I never rode none of the bigger bikes. You know, like the newer 600s. Or even like the FZ07 or the MT07. Or even the, like other, the BMW S1000s. Which I would love to get on one day. I would definitely love to get on one of those one day. But we shall see. But we shall see, y'all. So I can't really say that, this is just so far the best bike I have ever ridden. What's up, man? We're just gonna look for my daughter real quick. See where she could possibly be at. Give her a little text. But I shall be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Yeah, just had to give my, my daughter some lunch money over here. Make sure they were straight. But anyways, y'all, let's continue this gorgeous day. On this gorgeous Halloween day. Y'all see I got my Halloween shirt on. I would have had this shirt on anyway, y'all. Just got my Halloween colors on right now though. And away we go. I think I'm gonna take this shortcut. I know I said it ain't too hot, but now I'm getting hot. Man, I see a lot of, bikers just rolling through here, man. Even the newbies just wearing helmet and gloves, man. And I was like, yo, man, where's your gear at? Oh, it's too hot. All right, guess what else is hot? Asphalt. That's what I say. Guess what else is hot? Asphalt. That shit very hot. I don't get it. I just don't get it, y'all. Anyways, y'all, though, yeah, I was just speaking about what? My 1 month review. And like I was saying a little bit ago, is that I haven't rode on every bike, but so far, the Yamaha R3, man, is the best bike I've been on so far. And I don't know if it's, just because it's a newer bike, because, the last bike I owned was a 2012. So I don't know if it's just because it's a newer bike and, so a lot of everything is newer. I don't know if it's just because it's Yamaha that make it and they do their thing on these motorcycles, man, making these motorcycles. But so far, y'all, I'm gonna say though, man, the Yamaha R3 is perfect. Sitting position's perfect. You can still get in it. You know what I'm saying? You can still get down in it. Uh-oh, you got them boys. It got a little bit of get up and go, for the streets. To be, putting around in the streets, it ain't bad. It's perfect. In my eyes. Yeah, it's perfect in my eyes. The maintenance is pretty decent. even though I only, you know, all I did so far was, you know, I gave it an oil change as soon as I bought it. Because, you know, I didn't buy it brand new. I bought it used with a little over 3,000 miles. But look at this BS. Look at that. Like, why? You in a rush? This street is only 25 miles an hour. The street is literally only 25 miles. Is that them same cops that just rode by? I don't know. I'm looking though. I'm paying attention. Anyways, I should stop being so nosy and just ride. How you doing? But yeah, like, you know, it's, I'm not gonna lie, man, it's the best starter bike. I wouldn't say beginner bike. It's a good bike to it's a good bike to start on, but I wouldn't just label it as a beginner bike because, you know, so only beginners can ride it. Because, man, experienced riders, they have a ball on this too. They have a ball on this too. Hey, yo, there's a video that I seen. It's online, it's on YouTube. And it's actually, I know y'all know about Max Wrist. And it says he was triggered by I guess an R3 rider rode past him or whatever. And it's a decent, you know, length video where he's actually riding, and a lot of the times playing catch up. And he's on like 1,000cc, and he's playing catch up, or basically racing neck and neck with someone on a Yamaha R3. Pretty dope video. Yamaha should scoop it up and be a great commercial. Because, man, they was going at it, and he was really hitting them up in the corners. That's where the R3 was getting everybody. You know, it was getting them in the corners, man. In the corners, you really could take the corners, I guess, better. Leaning and all of that. But it's a pretty decent video. Shout out to Max Wrist. So I don't really know him or nothing, but it's a great video. I like it. I was peeping it out. Actually, before I even got an R3, I was checking that on out. It's dope. But as I always say before, man, I do want to get the R6 throttle tube, because I do find myself really just going in. I do find myself just really going on in, trying to flick my wrist a lot. Revving it on out. Man, this mic don't do this M4 any justice at all. Oh, you go. Thanks, homie. Anyways, y'all, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Just glad you guys came and checked out your boy. Uh-oh, we got a future motorcycle rider. I'm just glad you guys came and checked out your boy, you know, on my little 1 month review of the Yamaha R3. And till next time, man, I shall holler. Y'all stay up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's chop it up. Peace.